great choice today with the 2017 RX350. The RX350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.